Today we share a common situation when working on a BMW X3 after accident. We need to replace the pyro fuse on the fuse box. Over here. We only need to swap another one. In the SME, we need to replace another 3 pyro fuses, so we need to open the SME first. First, we need to remove these 4 screws. We've removed them. So we can take off this cover directly. Take it off, and it looks like this inside. And this is the main board of SME. We need to remove it, then repair the data inside. Because it automatically corrupts after an accident, so we must fix the file. And let's not forget about the pyro fuses. Let's get to them. Then remove these 4 screws on top of this. This one, and this one. After removing these screws, there is also a plug that needs to be removed. Only then we can remove this cover. This is one pyro fuse. Another is under here. This is our pyro fuse. Now let's test it with a multimeter. If we have continuity, it is okay. No continuity, meaning it's broken. Let's replace it. Let's remove this gasket. Then, we still need to remove these 4 screws, including here and here. After removing the screws, we can turn it to the side. After turning, we need to remove all the screws from the bottom. And then we can remove the bottom cover. After that, we need to remove this lead. Let's remove these 3 screws. After removing these screws, then we can remove this copper plate. And the cable in this side also needs to be removed. Now let's remove these screws. Let's remove this cable and terminal head. The last we need to loosen these 2 screws. That we can take down this pyro fuse now. After the accident, this will burn out. These are the 4 parts we need to replace after an accident. We also will need to repair the files inside this SME. When we tested this one, if it has continuity, it is broken, shorted. If the other 3 are not in continuity during testing, it means they are broken. This one it is the opposite, remember.